What's going on, guys? This is Big JD here, and today I'm going to show you how to set up a new TV cable wire in case you need a new connection or you need to cut a wire and redo it because the one you have is damaged. I already have these two that I need. I already cut them, but I just want to show you the tools you're going to be needing. Connectors, stripper. You're gonna need this for the compression kit to connect the connectors to the cable. And again, this is not your regular strip, it's a TV cable stripper. So make sure when you get this kit, you can go to Home Depot or you can go to your electronics store, and they have a section where it's all about hooking up TVs and TV cables, and they have this kit and you can buy it over there. You can buy these two, and these are the three main tools you really need, and I'm going to show you how you do it. Okay. Sure, the wire stop right here. If you have this down, the wire is gonna go through and you don't want that. Make sure you put the stopper right up here. It's gonna limit how much you can push it in. And you just give it a couple of turns. See? And make sure you put these wires back. After you use the wire stripper, make sure you push these little wires back. Only the wire. You want to keep this tin foil in there. Just put the little wires back. That way you have better connection when you're done. You get a good picture. Okay. This is your connector, the compression connector. And what you want to do is you want to take the connector, push it in all the way through, and you take it, you place it in here like this. And you're going to press down all the way. Press all the way. There you go. That's not going nowhere. This is how you do it. Now I can use this side, and the same steps is for the other side. So I'm just going to show you one because it's the same as here. Now you know what, let me just do it. The more you see it, the better. I'll show you empty, the one you already cut, the one you already stripped, those little pieces. Make sure you can able to see the tip. Give it a couple of turns. You're gonna hear some crunching and tearing. See? So what you do is, after you give it a couple of turns, you push it. There you go. the wires back. There you go. Push the wires back gently. You don't want them all to fall. You're gonna get a few of them falling down. That's okay. Take your connector. Push it in there. And you're ready to compress. There you go. That's not going nowhere. See, you can see, as long as you see, let me focus here. As long as you see the copper wire sticking out a little bit, you know you did it good. See this one? You still see it a little bit, so you know you did it good. There you go. Alright guys, take care.